Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Tekken 8 on your PC. Alright, so let's begin. First things first, open up your Steam app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Once you're here, go to search bar and just search for it in the search bar. Just type in Tekken and you can see Tekken 8 is available in the dropdown. Select the game and you'll be redirected to this page here. Now to play it for free, click on the download button and the demo version will start downloading. This demo version basically has everything that you can test for free, but if you want to play the whole storyline, then you would need to purchase the game. And if you want, you can also purchase the Deluxe and Ultimate Edition, which obviously includes the DLCs along with the base game. So that's basically how you can download Tekken 8 on your PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.